In life, things will keep repeating until you learn the lesson that's being presented to you. So, for example, if I believe that 2 plus 5 equals 6, I will not get the answer that I'm wanting. I won't get the correct answer, and it will keep not working. I won't get the outcome and the results that I want. And so I can get frustrated and think, why does this keep happening to me? I know I made a mistake. I forgive myself, but it keeps happening. 2 plus 5 equals 6. And then we keep fighting it. And then I might get to the point where I get so frustrated. I just think, I can't deal with this anymore. And then I push it away. And I say, I don't deal with 2s and 5s anymore. I'll deal with 4s and 3s and other numbers, but I can't deal with 2s and 5s because they just don't work for me. And so we avoid certain aspects. We avoid certain problems because we just haven't figured it out. And so I'm in denial. But it keeps coming up. I keep not getting the outcomes that I want. And I might try to move forward in my life. I might get to the multiplication. I might get to algebra. I might even get to calculus. But I'm still not getting the correct answers. I'm still not getting the outcomes I desire. And people might come to me and you might say, Austin, it's this problem, 2 plus 5 equals 6. That's not true. You're going to need to go back to addition and learn how to add. And I'll say, no, that can't be the answer. I did kindergarten years and years ago. I learned that in kindergarten, and I don't need to go back there. That's in the past. And you might say, well, yeah, but if you really want to move forward, if you want to get the outcomes you desire, you need to go back and learn addition. And I'm like, no, that's not the answer. It can't be the answer because that's in the past. It doesn't matter anymore. You're like, okay. Well then, Austin, just keep doing what you're doing, and it's just not going to work out for you. And then I might say, yeah, well, math just isn't for me. I'm not a mathematician. And then I might go try science or English or something else. But the lesson here is that until we learn, things will keep repeating in our lives. And so if you notice a pattern in your life of things that keep popping up, problems in relationships, problems with finances, problems with health, and it just keeps coming up, start to ask yourself, why? What is this teaching you? What are you being invited to learn? You can forgive yourself all along. You can keep moving forward, but until you learn the lesson, there's not going to be a lot of change that happens in the way that you desire. So ask yourself, what are you being invited to learn? What are you being invited to consider? Where do you see the blocks in your life? What are the patterns you see that are holding you back? So in this case, 2 plus 5 equals 6. As I keep having that problem over and over and over again, I can say, okay, well, something is here. Isn't quite right. There's a problem here. 2 plus 5 equals 6. Maybe that's not it. And so as I start to look into that and I actually learn that, no, 2 plus 5 actually equals 7, now I've learned, and as I apply that, now I start to get the outcomes that I desire. And so in your life, as one of my mentors, Chris Crone, would always say, he said, you always get what you want. If you don't get what you want, you get a lesson. And as soon as you learn the lesson, you get what you want. And so you were worthy, you were worth it, you were a miracle, you have a purpose. That's all true. That's all there. But it doesn't even matter like how amazing you are. Sometimes 2 plus 5 just doesn't equal 6. And we've just got to learn that and adjust it. It doesn't mean anything about your worth and your value. It's just an idea. It's just a principle to be learned. And so as you learn those principles, you apply them in your life, you start to get the outcomes that you desire. You can get those outcomes. You can have an amazing, happy, peaceful, happy life. You can. You were worthy of it. You deserve it. You were a miracle. You have a purpose. And you can find that no matter where you are in life, no matter where you are, what environment, circumstances you find yourself in, you can find happiness and peace. I believe in you. I'm grateful for you, and I see you. That's why I'm here at Hope to Cope every day, checking in with a message of hope to remind you that you are a miracle, that you have a purpose, and that you can learn, you can grow, you can adjust, and you can get the outcomes you desire. I believe in you. Today's message was for you. Go and like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with those that you could benefit from this message today. If that's you, thank you for being here. Glad we could connect today. If you're looking for other videos today, go back through the channel, find the ones that resonate with you. There's over 900 videos now on this channel, as I post a video every single day and have been doing so now for over 2 years. So thank you for finding me. Thank you for connecting with me today. I'm grateful for you, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.